In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your social media profiles to your Wix website. This is an essential step for anyone looking to increase their online presence and keep their audience connected across different platforms. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is access the Wix website editor. This area is where you can make all your design and functionality changes to your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here before. It's quite user-friendly. Once you're in the editor, you'll be looking for the Add Elements tab, typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click on it, a plethora of features you can add to your site will appear. This section is where you can truly customize your site to fit your needs and aesthetic preferences. Next, you're going to want to hone in on the social option from the available categories. Clicking on social will open up options that connect your website visitors to your social media profiles. From this list, you'll find something called the social bar. This is the tool that will house your social media links on your site. Once you click on social bar, you'll see several design options come up. Choose a style that aligns with your site's theme. It's crucial to maintain visual consistency across your site to ensure your branding is coherent and professional. After you've added the social bar to your site, your next step is setting these social links. So go ahead and click Set Social Links. This action allows you to input the precise URLs for your social media profiles. You can link to a variety of platforms including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Choose ones that are most relevant to you or your business. Scroll through your options, locate the specific social media app you want to connect, and click on the small link icon next to it. This is where you'll paste your specific social media link. Make sure you have your URLs handy and double-check each one to ensure they lead to the correct pages. Once you have inserted your links, hitting Done will save your changes. With your social bar set up, you might find that you don't want to include every available platform. Perhaps there are ones that you don't actively use or feel aren't necessary for your audience. To remove any social media icon, just select it and click on Remove Image. This allows you to tailor the social bar to reflect only the most vital links. Once you're satisfied with your selections, ensure you click Done again. This finalizes your settings, and there you go. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your social media profiles with your Wix website. Your site visitors can now seamlessly connect with your social media, enhancing engagement and expanding your reach. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.